Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Cryptocation channel. In this video guys, I will make a small review about the Moonbeam coin. So as you can see guys, the Moonbeam today have a rank of 144 on core market cap with a price of 0.35, market cap $210 million, and the volume guys of $8.6 million. The all-time low is 0.31 2 months ago, and the all-time high is $29.84 1 year ago. So as you can see guys, the Moonbeam today down 3%, as well for the volume guys down 28%. Moonbeam is an Ethereum-compatible smart contract parachain on Polkadot. Moonbeam makes it easy to use popular Ethereum developer tools to build or redeploy Solidity projects in a Substrate-based environment. Moonbeam is much more than just an implementation. It's a highly specialized parachain that mirrors Ethereum Web3, RPC, accounts, keys, subscriptions, logs, and more. And also guys, the Moonbeam platform extends the base Ethereum feature set with additional features such as on-chain governance, staking, and cross-chain integration. Also guys, Moonbeam's Ethereum compatibility is unmatched. Minimal changes. Developers can use existing Solidity smart contracts right away with no need to rewrite or reconfigure. Use existing developers tool, connect popular tools like MetaMask, Hardhat, Waffle Remix, and Ripple via a complete set of Web3 RPC endpoints. Use well-known JavaScript libraries such as Web3.js or Ether.js. Also guys, unified accounts, addresses, and signatures. Use your existing Ethereum H160 accounts and signatures to interact with Moonbeam. Tap into the most integrations on Polkadot. Use existing oracles, bridge wallets, and other tools that are already building in the Moonbeam. Basically guys, Moonbeam offers an Ethereum-like environment on top of Substrate rather than a chain-based solution. This lets developers redeploy their existing smart contracts easily using the same tools and integrations they already use, but also take advantage of the modern Substrate framework of which all Polkadot parachains are built. The Moonbeam network makes it possible for developers with Solidity or Viper-based smart contracts to go multi-chain and extend their influence into the Polkadot ecosystem. Polkadot's blockchain ensures seamless sharing of workloads on the new layer. Also guys, through Moonbeam, developers can port their existing Ethereum dApps to Polkadot or easily create new permissionless decentralized applications dApps using familiar Ethereum development tools. The tools on Moonbeam ensure that there is minimal change when front-end dApps are moved between chains. That's all guys for the Moonbeam for today. This is just a small definition about the coin. Also guys, if you want me to do more analysis about the coin, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you and see you later.